I welcome you to Eureka channel, A Moment with Rukwaru. I am Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. I'm hoping you enjoyed part 1 of the type of husbands and intimacy to their wives. And I invite you to part 2 on the types of husbands. And so, the first husband is the oppressed romantic husband. With this oppressed romantic husband, he doesn't know how to be intimate. Is interested, but he doesn't know how to express it. He doesn't understand about being intimate. So, this person is not deliberate. He doesn't know how to make the wife feel special. He doesn't know the importance of a hug. He doesn't know the importance of giving your wife a phone call, even when you are living in another geographical area. He doesn't understand even the importance of sending flowers. He doesn't understand the importance of taking her out for dates or even on vacation. He doesn't understand those things. Those things, they seem to be very minute, but yet they have got a lot of value when it comes to intimacy. So the oppressed romantic husband need to be taught the importance of these things, the importance of making the wife feel special, the importance of a hug, the importance of a phone call, the importance of nights of candlelight dinners, vacations, and the rest to make the marriage life become flowery and become sweet. Then there is the sixth type of a husband, and this is the stressed out hubby. With this stressed out hubby, stressors are daily living. Stressors of daily living is so much affected by stress. There is no time or energy for physically being intimate with the wife. He is exhausted. There is no concentration. It's not that this person doesn't want to be intimate, but he's so fatigued. He's tired. There is no energy. He is exhausted because of other things. And so this person needs to be tutored on how to reduce stress. The seventh type of husband is the mystery man. He is just not interested with intimacy. He avoids talking about it. He denies that there is a problem. So now, what is the problem of this mystery man? The problem of this mystery man, why he behaves this way, is that there is the underlying issue, such as the medical condition, also psychological stresses, and unless we get to the root cause of these problems, you cannot be able to help the mystery man. And number 8 is the emotional war husband. Now with the emotional war husband, they are just distant emotionally. They have built an invisible wall between them. What might be the reason? There has been probably a recent fight. There is the ongoing tension. There is no communication. They have simply barricaded themselves between, where they have put a wall between the wife and themselves. There is no longer any communication. They are just invisible, and there is emotional distance. So now, I'm hoping that you have understood now these other types of the husbands in part 2, and I'm hoping that if you have these ones, they are going to help you to interrogate yourself talking to men. Where do you belong among these 4 types of men in part 2? I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed, I would encourage you to do that. And if there are some comments which you feel you have, you can leave it in my comment section, and any other suggestions they are very much welcome. Thank you very much. I would welcome you to subscribe and also to listen to part 3 of the types of husbands and intimacy in relationship to their wives, which will form my final part of the type of husbands and the intimacy. Thank you very much. Have a great day and I value you. Adios.